Welcome. This video explains how to create an XLeap session. There are 3 ways to create a session. To create a new session from scratch, click the plus button in the toolbar of your XLeap Center. You can also upload an XLeap session file that you or another XLeap user have saved to disk via the toolbar. Finally, you can click and confirm copy on a session item to create a new session from that one. When you enter a new session for the first time, this triggers the invitation dialog, where you specify the details you would want to include in an invitation to the session. First, name your session as you want that name to be given on the login page. Second, specify when your session shall begin and when it shall end. Change the session's time zone if your participants run on, for example, London time. Third, you can change the session's random URL to a speaking URL. Fourth, you must determine which information participants shall give when they log into the session. XLeap recommends name and email for most sessions. Now you can copy the session's details to your computer's clipboard or email client. Copying the details of the session creates a landing page for the session so that anyone you invite will be assured that their link works. Of course, it is entirely up to you when you send out invitations. Close the invitation dialog at any time with Done. You are now in the Process Designer tool of your new session. In a session created from scratch, the Process Designer will be empty. If your session is a copy of another session, the Process Designer will hold the process of that session. Whatever you want to do next, you can always access the invitation dialog via the Invitation button in the Process Designer toolbar.